Your favorite comic creator or creative is already using AI. They just don't want you to know. Meanwhile, you're out here suffering with writer's block and 10 open tabs of how to draw hands. Today I'm going to fix your life. I'm Jason I'm a comic creator, I'm a world builder, I'm your friendly neighborhood creative troublemaker. And here are 5 AI tools that can take your creativity from this is kind of nice to bro, how did you make this work by yourself? So in about 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the tools that take my scattered notes and turn them into a podcast that explain my own story back to me. And I'm going to talk about the first one, and that's Notebook LLM. It's your universal architect. This tool should honestly be illegal. Notebook LLM doesn't just read your notes, it digests them like a creative beast. It can take your notes and turn them into a podcast explaining everything in simple language. It can generate flashcards and infographics for your story. It can produce questions that help you understand your own world or know to document better. And it's your editor who doesn't argue. It's amazing stuff. Which brings me to number 2. The world famous ChatGPT, your idea generator on steroids. ChatGPT is your brainstorming engine. Writer's block, gone. Do you need alternative scenes? 5 options in seconds? Done. Do you need analytics? Do you need ideas? Do you need craziness? Done. Do you need images? Yes, it can now generate incredible artistic images. Do you need someone to critique your idea like a creative director with 30 years of experience? It does that too. And now it supports live chat, so your story development becomes a conversation with your team. I bet a lot of you did not know that. So let's go on to number 3. This tool will triple your creativity if you let it, and that is Claude from Anthropic. I love Claude. It's your disciplined writer and visual analyst. Look, I love ChatGPT, but Claude is ooh la la. It's the partner that forces your script to make sense. Claude does long-form creative writing that is beautiful and that sounds like a human being. Structural rewrites, creative tightening, game logic, and Claude is also fantastic at coding. Just speak to any coder or developer. I'm talking about one-shot dashboards, I'm talking charts. You can literally feed it a single prompt and get a beautiful data visual or an entire video game. No kidding. Claude is amazing. It's somehow gentle and savage at the same time, and it's the perfect critique companion. Now let's move on to something else from Google. This is Google Gemini. Google Gemini is your visual research plus video lab. First, anything Google is a beast. This tool brings cinema level visuals into your creative world. Now, Gemini includes Veo, which gives you high quality cinematic videos, Nano Banana, which gives you hyper realistic images. And when I say hyper, I mean hyper. You can also get deep visual analysis. You can also get long form context retention. So this is great if you're looking to do things like mood boards or scenes, or you need style consistency, or even if you need to build out an entire trailer for your story. In fact, Gemini gives your imagination a camera. Finally, and I can't go through this series without mentioning CapCut. This is your pocket-sized anime studio. So CapCut is stupidly powerful for how simple it is. It works on mobile, it works on web, it works on desktop. It saves your presets so you can reuse them. It adds captions, sound effects, transitions, motion zooms. You can edit to 15-30 second trailers like really quickly. If you're not editing your stuff, your panels, your trailers, you're really just leaving virality on the table. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how a one-person comic center or creative studio can run. AI doesn't replace artists or creative people. AI just replaces anyone who refuses to evolve. The creator who merges creativity and AI and discipline becomes unstoppable. So, actionable items for you. You can take your notes and turn them into a creative system with Notebook LM. Let it generate podcasts and infographics and flashcards. Your universe gets clearer instantly. You can use ChatGPT and Claude for dual engine writing. You can use ChatGPT to generate wild ideas. You can use Claude for structure, for critique. It's a pretty good combo. You can also then create trailers in different styles using Gemini and CapCut. You can use Gemini for visuals. You can use CapCut for edits. Your hype grows, your followers grow, your comic and books just really come alive. And more growth can mean more in your bank account. All right, folks, so that's it for today. Like this post and share it with others who need to know about this. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.